Hi, I'm Erin with Erin & Company at Long & Foster, and today I'm super excited to share with you this immaculate townhome at 9428 Creek Summit Circle. Come inside with me. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath custom townhome is located in the low-maintenance neighborhood of Creek's Edge at Stony Point. This home features almost 2,000 square feet, and inside you'll find the finest fit and finishes such as hardwood flooring throughout the first floor, 9-foot ceilings on both the first and second floor, triple crown moldings, soft close drawers on the cabinetry in the kitchen, and in all the full bathrooms. Stainless steel kitchen appliances, granite countertops, gas cooking, kitchen bar top, under-counter lighting in the kitchen, master suite with a large walk-in closet, an ensuite bath with double vanity, linen closet, and tub with tile surround. A detached 1-car garage with a breezeway and a fenced-in rear brick patio complete this beautiful home. If you have questions about this home or would like to schedule a personal tour, give our team a call today.